Imposibleng walang influence ng politika yun, even if we are given 97 pages of documents stating why the decision was unconstitutional. Una sa lahat, it's hard to ignore that the impeachment procedure was delayed for 7 months when it was clearly stated in our constitution, clear, crystal po yan, that it shall forthwith proceed.
Alam mo yung mga ganitong klaseng tao, pinapaandaran lang nila yung issue ng emosyon nila. Kasi nga, hindi nila nakuha yung gusto nila. And again, imagine if bumaliktad yung sitwasyon at nilabas ng Supreme Court na pinapatuloy nila yung impeachment, and people who are against the Supreme Court decision would say the same thing as what he is saying now. What do you think these people would actually say? Diba? I'm so out of words. Hindi ko maipaliwanag or hindi ko masabi dito kasi nga mate-take down na naman yung video. But grabe, nakakadiri. Kaya I so agree with Attorney Libayan eh. May audience lang tong ganitong klaseng influencer because kumakampi sila doon sa emotions ng tao. They're not about the truth, but they're just feeding on the emotions, stroking their egos, because they do not want to accept the fact that whatever they are claiming doesn't really hold any value. Lalo na sa tenga ng may utak. Well, sa tenga nila, sa grupo nila na echo chamber, sila, of course, they think highly of themselves. They think highly of the people who belong into their group. But, wala namang silbi yun eh. They will just drown themselves in their illusions na tama sila. Dahil nga masarap. Masarap sa pakiramdam. Pero hindi pa rin nila maiaalis sa mga taong nag-iisip na walang silbi or walang kwenta yung mga pinagsasabi nila. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.